Hello everyone, in this video tutorial we want to see what I call in-cells data types. Let's get started. Now the data types is available to Office 365 subscribers and it is located under the data tab of our ribbon. Now I want to start with the stocks and geography. So for the stocks, I'm going to type in the ticker symbols of some companies. I'm going to start by typing WAPL, which is for Apple. Click enter. Then I'm going to type MSFT, which is for Microsoft. Now the third one is where the magic comes in. So I'm going to type in anyone. So for this, I'm going to use GOOG, which is for Alphabet Incorporation. So when I click enter or control enter, see what happens. So I have this convert to stocks, which is amazing. Now this feature is only available to Office Insiders subscribers. Okay, I tried that on the monthly channel of Office 365 and it didn't work. So we can actually convert the selected cells to retrieve information on stock prices, tickers, general information, and of course more. So when I click on this convert to stocks, see what happens. Well, it worked. So I do not need to list the stocks symbol tickers and then come to stocks here. All I need to just do is to at least type in the three recognizable stocks, and I have the convert stocks feature available for me. So I can actually see all the information, when I click on insert data, I can see, for example, all the list of employees. I can also see some other information, their headquarters, and so on and so forth. Now that is it about the stocks. Now let's go to the geography. So for the geography, we actually work with location like states, provinces, country, and so on and so forth. So for this, I'm going to start by typing, for example, New York. Enter. I'm going to type in Paris. So let me now type in Manitoba, a province in Canada, Manitoba. Now, when I click enter, I have convert to geography, which makes sense. So I don't even need to come to this particular place and click on convert to geography. So the moment I type in the third recognizable location, I have this feature to convert to geography. So when I click on that, see what happens. Of course, it worked. So I can actually see all the information for each of the provinces or the states. Now we can see this is New York, and of course we can see the capital, the leaders, and so on and so forth. So we can even see insert data. When I click on this, we can see all the information like the areas. You can see, the country where they are located. You can see we have New York in US, Paris in France, and Manitoba in Canada. And of course, we have all kinds of information that is available. You can see the time zones. Okay, so this actually works. Now, this saves us the headache of having to type in, for example, the location and come to geography and click on geography. We don't need that. All we need to do is to type in at least 3 locations. Then we have the convert to geography in the in-cell. And of course, the same thing with the stocks. Type in at least 3 stocks recognized, and then we have the convert to stocks. So this feature is actually available, as I've told us, to the Office insiders. So I can actually check, come to file, account. So you can see that I am subscribed to Office Insider. So it's gonna, I believe, get to other channel of Office 365. So thank you for watching my video, and bye for now.